In this video, we will learn how to manipulate data more conveniently using a special package called DPLYR. DPLYR provides flexible grammar of data manipulation. It's the next iteration of PLYR, focused on tools for working with data frames, hence the D in the name. It has three main goals: identify the most important data manipulation verbs and make them easy to use from R. Provides blazing fast performance for in-memory data, that is large data, by writing key pieces in C++. It uses the same interface to work with data no matter where it is stored, whether in a data frame, data table, or a database. To use the DPLYR package, again we need to install the package, then convert the following variables to factors to perform an example in how to use the DPLYR package. First example is our OR operator to subset the data. Type filter the dataset empty cars, then variable which will be used to subset the rows. For example, cylinder CYL is equal to 6 or cylinder CYL is equal to 7. View the dataset will have data of empty cars whose cylinder is 6 and 7. I also put on the side how can we perform the same using the base R package. We can clearly see the difference and the convenience of remembering the code. The same way we can do using the AND operator. Hence we can clearly observe the DPLYR codes are more short, convenient and easy to remember than from the base R package. Now let's see how can we do the same for columns. Using DPLYR we only have to type select and then the column names. That's it. But in base R package we have to define the column names in a row and columnar format. To add a new column, use the function mutate, dataset name, then the new column name new col1 and set the criteria to copy or fill the new col1. To delete a column, again use the function with minus sign with the column name that we want to delete. For sorting the data, use arrange function with the column name. By default, it takes as ascending order, and for descending order, use the word DESC. For grouping, use group by, and to summarize, type the function like mean with the column name like mileage MPG, comma, again for standard deviation as the mileage. Pipelines. Pipelines is an R package that helps to better organize the code in pipelines built with percentage greater than percentage structuring sequences of data operations from left to right, which is much easier to read, write, and maintain. The DPLYR R package uses percentage dot percentage operator, which is similar to percentage greater than percentage. However, it has been depreciated and now DPLYR recommends this percentage greater than percentage, which DPLYR imports from. The difference between them is this package is much more lightweight package that exists to define only the pipe-like operator and minimizing the need for local variables and function definitions. I have listed how can we execute the same line of code using base R package, DPLYR and using pipe. Using pipe, we can clearly see the grammar of code looks more easy. And do remember, in pipes, the line of code gets executed from left to right. Our next example is to create a new column using the pipe function. Empty cars, pipe, mutate, then the new column name. Done. Our new column is successfully created. Next, we will see how to reformat dates to manipulate data.